Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we are going to show you one more TV review and it's the Hisense 4K TV. Hisense recently entered in India and they're already in the countries like Australia, Japan, Mexico and South Africa. And now finally they are here in India with some quality products. The Hisense TVs are available to purchase from Amazon, Flipkart, Reliance Digital and Tata Click. And today we have with us the Hisense 55-inch 4K Ultra HD TV. This TV is available to purchase at 33,990 rupees, which is an introductory offer. And right now if you purchase it before 16th of August, you will get 5-year panel warranty. So let me show you the unboxing experience first. In the front of the box you have the Hisense branding on the top and they are the official partner of the UEFA Euro 2020. And here we see it supports Dolby Vision HDR, Dolby Atmos sound, ultra dimming and you get the bezel-less design. It's a 55-inch 4K Ultra HD TV and the model number of this TV is 55A71F. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So you get the tabletop stand here on the top and then we have the TV unit itself. We will set up the TV in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So you get the wall mount bracket and guys, you also get the free installation of this TV from Amazon and Flipkart. And then here we have the documentations, which includes a quick start guide, user manual, and then you have the screws by which you can set up the tabletop stand. And then finally, here we have the remote controller and you also get 2 AA batteries. Talking about the remote controller first, it's a Bluetooth remote controller and I find the size of the remote controller pretty good. You have the dedicated button on the top, which includes Netflix, YouTube, Google Play and Amazon Prime. The layout of the remote is pretty good and user-friendly, and you also have a dedicated button here for the voice control. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the TV closely. So first, let's set up the tabletop stand. And guys, setting up the stand is really easy, and you have to use the screws which are provided with the TV. Now as you might have noticed that you get an ultra bezel-less design here and the quality feels pretty good. You have the Hisense logo here at the bottom and at the bottom you also have a 30-watt sound system which supports Dolby Atmos sound. And here in the middle we have the power switch. Now in terms of the overview, looking at the back, in the middle first we have the place to attach the wall mount bracket and below it we have the audio video in port. At the side we have the main ports of this TV which includes 3 HDMI ports and one of them is the HDMI ARC. Then we have the 2 USB ports, a LAN port, digital audio output port, headphone and the antenna port. So in terms of the ports and connectivity, it's pretty good. And as it's a smart TV, you have the LAN port and this TV also comes with the dual Wi-Fi band. Now let's turn on the TV and set it up. So as it's an Android smart TV, you'll have to set it up using your Google account. The first thing I immediately noticed that while going through the menu, there is no lag at all. So our TV is set up and ready to use. The OS version of this TV is Android Pie and after the first boot, you have approximately 11 GB storage space available. And guys, for storage, you can also use external hard drives and thumb drive with this TV. Now about the user interface, it's pretty simple where you have the favorite pre-installed apps on the top and then you have the recommendations from YouTube and Google Play. And below it, you have the content from Netflix and Amazon Prime. And then here you have some app suggestions. You can install different apps on this TV from Google Play Store. And apart from that, you can also install and play games on this TV. I have played few games on this TV using my Xbox controller and there it performed pretty good. Now about the display quality, I've been using this TV for some time and first of all, I find the ultra slim bezels of this TV pretty good. You get an amazing experience while watching movies and videos on this TV. The colors are amazing and the output is precise. You can also customize the picture output with various options. So here we have the Dolby Vision, which you can also customize it according to your requirement. The viewing angle of this TV is at 178 degrees and I find it pretty good. And as mentioned earlier, there is no lag at all while going through the menu and the smart features performs pretty good. Now coming back to the performance, I have watched movies on Netflix and there you will notice that the Dolby Vision is available and immediately you will see the difference. I have also watched 4K videos on YouTube, and I can't tell you how happy I am with the performance. And yes, keeping in mind the price of this TV, which is just Rs 33,000, you're getting an extraordinary performance. Apart from the Dolby Vision, this TV also offers ultra dimming technology, which customize the contrast enhancement curves across entire screen, offering you brighter whites and deeper blacks. The remote controller also performs pretty good, and it's also quite responsive. The voice control feature is pretty good, but sometimes it doesn't recognize my Indian accent. Now talking about the sound performance, the 30-watt sound system on this TV is also pretty good, and you get the Dolby Atmos sound. You can also customize the sound output as per your requirement. Now let me show you some sound samples. And guys, you won't be able to judge the sound quality as it depends upon the mic I'm using and the speakers you're using to watch this video. The dual speakers at the bottom performs very good, and overall I'm really happy with the performance. I have also used this TV for playing games on the Xbox, and the Xbox One supports the 4K HDR output. And there also, this TV performs pretty good, and I find the output for both the display and sound satisfactory. Overall, the Hisense 55-inch Ultra HD TV is a value for money deal. And in Rs 33,000, you're getting features which I have seen mostly in TVs above 45 to 50,000 rupees. The display quality and the color output is among the best I have seen in a 55-inch 4K TV. You're getting top-of-the-line technologies which are available at the moment, such as Dolby Vision and Dolby's Atmos sound. There is no issue in the connectivity, and the dual-band Wi-Fi also performs pretty good. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a 4K 55-inch TV under Rs 35,000, then I highly recommend you to check out this Hisense TV. And also, if you buy it before 16th of August from Amazon or Flipkart, then you will get the extended warranty benefits on the panel. And apart from the 55-inch, the Hisense TVs are available in different sizes such as 43 and 50 inches. And here is the pricing of various models. And as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Hisense 55-inch Ultra HD TV. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this TV in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.